Even Flow Services here from Bayard, Delaware. We're over here at a customer's home in the neighborhood, and they had their end was pulling apart. The gutter was pulling away from the fascia board, and the hangers weren't holding up, so I wanted me to come over and see if I could tighten that up for him. So, got the ladder set up, and as on my other videos, we have ladder stabilizers to keep us safe and to keep your gutter safe from getting nicked and banged and scratched up. So, definitely helps us out with being safe. So we've got two of our hangers here, one on this side, one on this side of the old hanger bracket. We're going to get those screwed in and get this thing tightened back up, and also get it wiped up and cleaned off for it. Alright, so he's all tight. I'll wipe this off and he'll be good to go. Dave Wyatt, Even Flow Services, 302-266-0332. Thanks again.